video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use artificial intelligence to do effects like this ones. It's really cool, it's really easy, and let's go get into it. What you want to do is that you want to bring in your original video. So say mine is this one, where I'm going to come in running and say I'm going to pause it right there, right? Or you can move your cursor and choose which position you want to save it. And here I'm just gonna split the video. You see at which point I split it, and I'm gonna capture a still frame of that. So once that's captured, that's what I'm gonna feed the AI so that it manipulates and evolves the picture. Then whatever video the AI produces, I'm gonna put it right in the middle of this, and then I'm gonna copy that same video, reverse it so that it goes backwards, and then it becomes me again, and then I'm gonna let it play so that it lands, and then the person just walks away. So let's get into the steps of the AI. The thing here is that I'm using CapCut as my video editor. You can use anyone that you want, but for this step specifically, you have to use Kaiber, or you can use other solutions such as Stable Diffusion, which is more complicated, but I think this was pretty easy to use and I highly recommend it. I'm gonna put a link on the video description if you want to use Kaiber, but it's really easy. So you go ahead and upload the image that you just froze on the video, and then you go to continue to prompt, and then it's gonna ask you, I want to create a video of, I'm just gonna put something random, or you can choose something like from here, but I just want to write it myself, so I'm gonna put something like alright, and here I'm just gonna choose either one of this, maybe this one, Intergalactic, or Lost, or you can just choose one of these styles, which is completely different. I'm just gonna go with this one because I like it, and then I'm just gonna go here. So we're gonna choose the duration based on how long you want it. It's gonna use up these credits that you have, so you don't want to do it that long. I don't know the trial one how long you can do, but I highly recommend subscribing for this service. It's not that expensive. Here you're gonna choose whichever effect that you want. I'm just gonna choose zoom out, and then the evolve level is gonna be how much artificial intelligence do you want to put into it. 10 is gonna make it go kind of crazy, so I'm just gonna go for 6. And then here it tells me how much it costs. It says to drag an audio. I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna cost more credit, but if you have the credit enough, do it. Or you can just put any audio on your video editor, and then that will work fine as well. So now it's gonna ask me to choose a keyframe for my video. I'm just gonna choose a random one. I'm gonna choose this one because it has a bunch of tree shadows on the closet, so I'm just gonna choose this one, and then I'm gonna create the video. I have the final product of the AI, and this is basically what it's doing. You can upscale the video to 4K depending on your needs. It's gonna use more tokens, and once I did, I'm gonna download the video, and then I'm gonna add it to my project, and then I'm gonna put it where, right in the middle of it. So so now once you have the video imported, you're gonna grab it and put it right in the middle, so that when you're on this frame, the next frame is gonna be the transformation, and then you let it roll. But then you want to make it go back, so we have to copy the video and then reverse it. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna copy, then we're gonna paste it right here. We're gonna click, we're gonna edit, and we're gonna reverse it so that it goes back into the original position of when the person jumped. That it's reversed, check this out. So it's gonna jump, then it's gonna do all the transformation, right? Then it's gonna stop at this point, and then it's gonna go backwards through the same transformations in reverse, so that it gives the effect as going back into reality, and then just walking away from the bedroom. So basically this is how you do it. Then the next steps are just like adding music. You can choose anything and just put it when he's like on the dream step. So you want to cut all these steps, just want to put like right from here, and there you go. It's gonna look something like this. Let's